Hello, I'm Manshasani and this is my first video ever on the YouTube. And today I'm going to teach you how you can build AI agents in less than 5 minutes using Litechain. So, what is Litechain? Litechain is a zero boilerplate LLM framework built for humans. And before jumping into building AI agents with Litechain, you have to come here and start this repository here. So, let's jump into building the AI agents with Litechain. So, for that, we will open up our terminal window here and we are going to create a directory here. So I will write mkdir AI agent demo with LightChain, and I'm going to cd into this directory, and I'm going to open this up into in my pod editor. After opening this directory in my editor, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to initialize the npm here. So I will write npm init and I have got a package.json here. Now I will install Lightchain here. So I will write npm lightchain. It is taking some time to install Lightchain. We will wait. Okay, so now Lightchain is installed here. You can see Lightchain version 0.0.18. And along with Lightchain, I need TypeScript as well and also TS node. So I will install the TS node and also TypeScript. So I will tell you to install TypeScript. So I'm using the cursor to install TypeScript in my project because I do not really know how to install TypeScript here, and I'm sorry for that. Okay, I think TypeScript is now installed. Image TS config. So that image into the TS config for me. npx TS init. Okay, now I got a TS config, a package.json, a node modules file here, and I will get an index.ts here. And just to see if it is working, I will write a console.log hello world here, and I will type npx ts node index.ts to see if it is console logging the hello world here or not. Okay, it is working. Hello world. So let's start with building the AI agent with Lightchain now. For that, I will import the Lightchain here. I will import Lightchain from Lightchain, and I will create a instance of Lightchain here. So I will write const llm equal Lightchain, and it provides me with some options like provider. Provider will be our Gemini. Model will be Gemini 2.0 Flash, API key, and some other things. Okay. So I need to install the .env as well because I need to use the environment variables to use my Gemini API here. So I will install the .env and use the .env in my project. Oops. npmi.env, and I will import the .env as well and add the .env.config here. And I will create a .env file as well to keep my environment variables like Gemini API here. And to get the Gemini API, I will go to the aistudios.google.com. From here, I will generate an API key. Get API key, create API key. I will choose a project here and create API key. I will copy this API key, paste this API key here with the name Gemini. Gemini, wait, Gemini API key equals this. Sorry, oops, copy, paste. Done. And now our LLM is ready. I will create a main function here, which is going to be a synchronous function, and I will write llm.invoke. Hello, how are you? And I will console log my response and I'll run the main here. Okay, let's try if this is working. Okay, as you can see, this is working. I am doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How are you doing today? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. But it is printing it two times. I don't know why it is happening. Okay, so I will remove this invoke method here and I will run llm.run method here. And the run method, the first thing the run method takes the message and some options. So as the first parameter, I will pass how are you, and in the options I will pass I don't need this response here with the run method. So we'll just remove this. I will do the stream true on message, no message on chunk console.chunk dot delta and on complete. Result is string here, I guess. It is string. And let's try. Okay, now it is streaming the tokens here. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. As largely I don't have experience in motions and something. Yeah. So it's working pretty well. So as you can see with Litechain, we have to just write 25 lines of code to set up a Gemini client here. And now we are going to empower our LLM agent with tools. So it can tools so it can call tools on the go. And the best thing about Lightchain is Lightchain handles all the tool calling internally. So we do not have to explicitly write records to call tools and pass the context back to the LLM and do the stuff like that. So we will define some tools here first. So to define the tools, I'm going to create a new file, tools.ts here. And inside the tools.ts file, I will define my tools. Okay. Let me get back to the Lightchain documentation here to define the tools. Okay. The tool. Okay. This is the thing. Fonts tool is in AB. Huh. Tools is defined like this in Lightchain. So I will copy this. I will create a simple add tool here. Post add tool and paste. And I will export this here. And this is going to be like, let us think, execute, execute, return of parameter.a. Perfect. Now I will import this add tool in my index.ts. Import add tool compose and I will pass the tools here. Tools is add tool. And also I will pass a system prompt to my LM here, lm.system. And to do that, I will write lm.system prompt equal. You are a helpful assistant that can add two numbers. I do not try to explicitly tell it that it has a system tools here. And I will pass a method here on function call to invoke something when this function is called. So I will write here LLM is calling a function call dot name, function call dot arguments. Perfect. And in the LLM dot run now I will write add one and two. And let's see how it is going to respond now. Oops, something error. Okay. This is not hard, this should be asked. So for that, let's try again. Okay, as you can see, our on function call method invoked here, LLM is calling a function. I same LLM is calling function. Something is broken here. I guess let me try again. LLM is calling function add the sum. Now it is working fine. And why it is printing it two times? Because we have one in on chunk and we have a method on complete. So as soon as the chunks writes finish on complete calls and it prints the result two times. So I will just remove this on complete here. I will remove this console.log here and I will try it again. And it's calling a function add one. I cannot stool result for and I need to. I cannot understand your response. Stool result for add one to. I need you to move it to forward. I think something is okay. Okay, so it is adding it like string here, parameters A, parameter B. I need to convert these to numbers and then to string. And I need to return, I should not return it like this. I need, because it is an LLM, so I need to properly tell LLM that what this means. So to do that, I need to pass a string literal here and I will tell the addition of parameters dot A and parameters sorry, parameters dot b the result of additional is this. Okay, let's try again. LM is calling function 2. Okay, the sum of n, now it is working perfectly. We can add as many tools as we like in the Litechain method here, the tools array. And Litechain is going to call all the tools on our behalf based on our queries, and that's it. It is as simple as that to build AI agents with Litechain.